Good morning, Muscle Car Corner. Bringing another beautiful Trans Am 69. I just love these 69 TAs. They are just the color combo that started it all off. It was just amazing. It's a lot of detail in this restoration. Everything's just put back. Not a lot of options on these cars. Power steering, power brakes, wood wheel, PMD wheels. Let's take a look inside this car. There's that wood wheel. Can't see the mileage on it. It's a little dark in here. Here again, another amazing restoration on this car. There's that GM sticker I was looking for on the 70. Let's see how this door shuts. Beautiful, beautiful. A lot of times people don't adjust them doors properly because they're heavy doors and they're hard to align. I've adjusted many doors on Trans Ams throughout my career as a body man back in the 70s and 80s. I love this 69 TA. These cars were just phenomenal, and they built, I think, 659 of them, if I'm not mistaken. There's nothing like the looks of that hood from the front. Really nice piece. Muscle Car Corner bringing you a really nice 69 and a 70 back to back. Really nice cars. I want both of them. I wish. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you would, please. I might be bringing a bunch of cars to you guys. We got some nice ones here. Muscle Car Corner signing out.